what's up, guys? We're gonna play then. So we need to just we need so we need to get part 2. So we need to still get we can still get railway holes. Part 2. We're gonna play this part 2. Wait. I'm gonna rejoin. Wait, go. I'll be right. So I'm back. Today let's start. Let's play this DJ. Let's play this let's play where race holes. Let's continue this. Let's continue this. We can still get. We can still get. We can still get. Let's go. Okay, start. So, yeah. So, if I get this right. I guess it. Wait, let me load the graphics. Let me load the graphics. Yeah, I load the graphics. So, I wanna get see this time. That things how be done. So, for box. Wait. Okay. What the? My God, I died. No. Okay, so we're gonna do with it. So I was just got rejoined. So where's the box? The box. Here we go. Just it there. What? Oh no. I saw the box, I saw it. Get the box! Go. Get it. What is that thing? Oh, please. She's going to the left side, bro. Go. I died. Okay, let's do this. So I will need to try this. So where's the box? Oh, there's the box there. Let's see where is the box. No boxes here. Okay. There. What is that? Okay, let's use this one. Yeah, I saw the box. I saw it. I saw the box. There was no box. What is so very fast? My God, I almost died. The way he's so very fast. No, 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 no. He's gone. Get the last one. Get the last one. Come on, escape, escape. No, why is it so very fast? Get to the train. Get to the train. Yes! Oh, what? Yes! He's dead. What the? He's dead. You want to know. The end. The end, okay. But what's happened? But what's happened? So we got it. So let's go. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check where it's. Oh, and he got it. Let's see what we got it. Whoa. Let's see it. So we got wool. Let's see it. Oh, look at me. I'm big. How this grow? Oh, it's done, okay. Look at me. Nice. Hey guys, watching out, thanks for watching and thanks for out. This is the wolves and thanks for out. Goodbye.